to acknowledge the efforts people have made, are making, and will continue to make to shift to how we offer remote delivery of instruction and delivery of our courses. While normally the Teaching Institute would run for 2 to 3 days and provide specific inputs for newer instructors, this year we've repurposed the Teaching Institute in light of COVID-19 so that all the inputs and appropriate information can be for all instructors, new and or experienced. So our theme this year is equity, diversity, inclusion across the digital teaching and learning divide, and we'll be exploring how this theme links to remote teaching. I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you why this theme resonates for me personally in our current context. And for me, it's really, we're at a time when making shifts often feels like it's the only thing we're doing. To say we're in constant change is an understatement. But there are so many things that need shifting right now, and it's going to take time, it's going to take a lot of effort. And I don't know about you, but sometimes I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed. How am I going to do all this? So we've designed this day to hopefully help you with some of those things. And of course, we have resources through CTL that are available anytime, and people as well through consultations. So what are some of the shifts I'm seeing? Shifting to inclusive pedagogies, shifting to being more open to different ways of doing things, recognizing and appreciating other people's perspectives and that they may not be the same as ours, realizing that there are different ways of learning and knowing, and we have to strive to learn about those as well. I've also found that we're shifting to a greater diversity of tools that can help us in the teaching profession. I also think we're seeing ways in stretching beyond traditional ways that we've been doing teaching, adapting, being creative, finding new solutions. This innovation in teaching and learning is one of the constancies and one of the things I really respect about instructors at the University of Alberta and beyond, of course, too. So regardless of how we got here, we have this opportunity to shift, and these shifts are going to take energy, dedication, dealing with uncertainty, and learning on the part of instructors as well. So we too are learners. And I want to thank you all for attending and starting or continuing such learning in this new pathway. And without your passion for education, we would not be the great institution we are today. And I'm going to now turn it over to Jen Ward, an educational developer of Indigenous focus, to introduce our keynote speaker. Thank you very much for your time.